fluoride deposit in Pakistan is found in the northern region of the country, in the Hunza Valley and the Gilgit-Baltistan and Balochistan region. The deposit is known to be of high quality, with large crystal formations that are popular among collectors and enthusiasts. Fluorite has a wide range of applications due to its unique physical and chemical properties. It is commonly used in the manufacturing of steel, aluminum, and cement, as well as in the production of hydrochloric acid. In the production of steel, fluorite is added to the raw materials to reduce the melting point and improve the quality of the final product. In the production of aluminum, it is used as a flux to remove impurities and improve the metal's quality. Fluorite is also used in the production of optical lenses, prisms, and other optical instruments. Its ability to transmit light in the ultraviolet, visible, and infrared regions of the electromagnetic spectrum makes it an ideal material for these applications. In addition to its industrial applications, fluorite is also used in the production of jewelry and decorative items. The crystal formations found in the Pakistani deposit are particularly popular among collectors and are often used in jewelry and home decor. Overall, the large deposit of natural fluorite or stone in Pakistan is a valuable resource with a range of important applications in various industries. Its purity and unique properties make it an ideal material for a wide range of uses, from industrial applications to decorative and aesthetic purposes. Fluorite is used in a variety of industrial and commercial applications. It is used as a flux in the production of steel and other metals, as well as in the production of aluminum, gasoline, and uranium fuel. Fluorite is also used as a component in the production of certain types of glass, such as optical glass and enamel. In addition, it is used in the manufacture of certain types of ceramics, and as a source of fluoride.